If it is given in the question that y is directly proportional to x, then sign of proportionality can be changed into equation by taking a constant of proportionality. It is not necessary कि हम y is directly proportional to x से ही start करें. हम यहाँ से भी start कर सकते हैं कि y is equal to kx. To calculate the value of k, the equation will become y over x. The values of y and x are given in the question. The value of y is 6 and value of x is 24. By substituting the values, we can calculate the value of the constant proportionality constant, the value of proportionality constant, that is 1 over 4. After calculating the value of k, we can fill the table. See in the first column of the table. The value of x is 4. This is the first column, second, third, fourth, fifth. There are 5 columns given in the question. If the value of x is 4, then what will be the value of y? If the value of x is 4, then what will be the value of y? Similarly, if the value of x is 20, then what will be the value of y? And in this case, if the value of y is 9, then what will be the value of x? If the value of x is 4, then the value of y can be calculated by using y is equal to kx, and the value of y will be 1. As you can see, we substituted the values of k and x. The value of k is 1 over 4 and the value of x is 4. By simplifying these values, we will get the value of y equal to 1. Similarly, when x is equal to 20, then the value of y will be 9. By using the value of k and x in the equation number 2, y is equal to kx. When the value of y is 9, then the value of x will be 36. We will modify the equation y is equal to kx. To little bit we will modify the equation, and the equation will become, when we have to calculate the value of x, then the equation will become x is equal to y over k. By using the values of y and k, we can calculate the value of x, that is 36. Similarly, value of x can be calculated when the value of y is 11, as it is given in the 5th column. Then the value of x will be 44. So you can complete the table now in this way. When the value of x, then the value of y will be 1. And when the value of x is 20, then the value of y will be 5. And when the value of y is given 9, then the value of x will be 36. And value of y, if the value of y is 11, then the value of x will be 44. B part of this question can be solved by adopting the same pattern as I have explained in the last question. If you want to note the answers of the part B, then when the value of x is 2, then the value of y will be 2.4. And if the value of x is 3, then the value of y will be 3.5. And if the value of x is 5.5, then the value of y will be 6.3. Similarly, we can fill the next 2 columns. See the next question. In this question, it is given y is directly proportional to x. We will calculate the value of proportionality constant k. Y is equal to kx. We have changed the sign of proportionality into equation. From this equation, the value of k can be calculated. K is equal to y over x. The value of y is given 20, and y is equal to 20 or x is equal to 5. Substitute these values in this equation. K is equal to y over x. the value of y is 20, the value of x is 5. By simplifying these values, we will get the value of k as 4. Now we will give the answer of the part 1. Part 1 is find an equation connecting x and y. So this is the equation, y is equal to kx. This is the equation which is connecting y and x. But we will substitute the value of k here, and the final answer will be y is equal to 4x. This is the required equation which is connecting y and x. In second part, to draw the graph, we will calculate the 2 or 3 values of y by taking x as independent variable. Like when x is equal to 0, y will also be 0. By using this equation, y is equal to kx. Substitute the value of x in this equation, you will get the value of y as 0. Now substitute the value of x here in this equation, the value of y will be 16. And if you substitute the value of x 2, then the value of y will be 8. You must remember that the independent variable, what is independent variable? Independent variable is the variable whose value can be taken independently by our own free will. यानी independently meanings है कि by our own free will we can take the value of x. जैसे मैंने अपनी मर्जी से ये 3 values x की ली हैं, तो मुझे y की वैल्यू फिर कैलकुलेट करना पड़ी, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज वैल्यूज y की ये वैल्यूज आए. अब इन वैल्यूज को हम ग्राफ की शक्ल में ड्रॉ करें तो x एक्सिस के अलोंग हम x की वैल्यू लेंगे और y एक्सिस के अलोंग y की वैल्यूज लेंगे. यू कैन सी दिस इज द ओरिजिन, this is the origin, and the coordinates of origin are 0 and 0. When the value of x is 2, the value of y was 8, and by using these two values we will get this point, and by using the next values, yani value of x 4 and value of y 16, we will get this point. By joining these 3 points, we will get a straight line. You must remember that when two values are directly proportional, then we always get a straight line graph passing through the origin.